today we're over here at Douglas Dam Lake, over here in Sirville, Tennessee area. So let's take a tour and see all the beautiful things over here at the Douglas Dam Lake. It is owned and operated by the TVA, so let's go and check it all out. And up there is the power plant. Everything is operated by the TVA over here at the Douglas Dam. I'll leave a link in the description about the Douglas Dam Lake. As you can see, there's seagulls flying around, people out there on the boat, people fishing. There's a walkway right here that's all handicap accessible. So you can ride your scooter down through here and just fish off at the railing. And as you can see, kind of right off and over there, it's kind of hard to point it out. That's another campground with a boat dock over there. This lake twists and turns all different directions. And over here at this Douglas Dam, they really have some really neat options here. You can have your little picnic. They got a little charcoal grill here. Picnic tables. They have several little different locations over here where you can do this. Fair warning though, the campgrounds over here at the Douglas Dam, they fill up very quickly in the summertime. All the boaters. This is a nice little area. I thought I saw a squirrel down there. Oops, sorry about that focus there. But there's several little grills, there's trash cans to throw your trash away, picnic tables. It's just a nice little peaceful area. And while you're over here at the picnic area, you can come over here and sit on the bench and wait for it. Look out at this. Look out at that lake. And as you can see, down below is the power plant. So beautiful and peaceful up here. Never could understand all this mess. But that view, it's a gorgeous view. I see a boat out there. There's little tiny islands out there.